Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Before diving in, just a quick disclaimer that every single information I'm going to share with you in this video is based on my own research and personal experiences. So this is not a sponsored content, so I will try to give you an honest review and an unbiased take. So in today's video, we're gonna do a quick and in-depth review of Mantiflora Aurantia video that has gone really popular over the social media. As you can see, it has a millions of likes on this Instagram, and this is the video of an insect that is possibly converted into a flower later on. So this video has got really popular and a lot of people are talking about it. So now let's dive in and find out if it's actually legit and an authentic video and this insect actually exists or not. So now once I tried to search for it, I got to know the Mantiflora Aurantia exposed. The truth behind the viral insect to flower video has just gone viral, and the people are claiming that it is an actual video, but the thing is it is actually an AI generated video which was supposedly created to gain attention and gain a lot of views. So another thing is the short answer is no. That was concluded on the malwaretips.com, and once I tried searching for it on the Google, I got to know that the Mantiflora Aurantia is a mythical or fictional creature of waterfall blossom mantis. So in conclusion, I would say, like, based on the information available on internet, this is pretty much a scam and a fake video that was created through AI. So I hope this review was helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching the video and hope to see you in the next one. Goodbye.